manifested as energies, or together restrained in equilibrium. It is only this realm of divine consciousness that scientific penetrate. Perhaps the following paragraph explains more clearly. Universal consciousness, embodiment of universal impulses of will. Okay, good morning, everybody. I am loading up some T2 Urea size 12/16 plastic in there to do some media blasting this weekend. Actually today. This is FJ40, part of the cab, the rear window. Some hot rod restoration shop that used to be in California and is now right across the road from me. Had that, he shipped it over to me. Here's the other piece right here. I'm gonna finish that, my S4 manifold right here. Side covers. Just to note that I blasted these years ago and painted them, but since I've done probably 3 dozen S4 manifolds since then, I'm no longer satisfied with the work I did 3 years ago or 4 years ago. So all these little divots and, you know, small little pot marks and imperfections in the casting, I'm going to fix these and going to get this powder coated. I'm not going to do paint anymore, ever. So that's what it looks like, this plastic that I utilize here. It's good stuff. It's very expensive, but it's very worthwhile. It's very versatile. I don't know anybody else in Texas besides a guy up in Dallas that uses this same stuff. Conscious ideas, impulses, but in fact, the impulse is the reality of all movement.
So there it is. Good day, everybody, and peace. Choose.